Finally, you too can set up your own underground watering system with RainJet. First, plant a stake for each single sprinkler. Mark out the path of the sprinkler system with string, then start digging. "20 to 25 centimeters is deep enough. You can do it yourself without working up much of a sweat. Now unroll the polyethylene tube along the path. Fit the sprinklers on the practical bracket unions. These are easy to move to the point marked by the stake. Once you've made the hole in the tube, insert the threaded extension in the connector, then fit the sprinkler. The sprinkler should be set at ground level. To do this, cut the threaded extension to measure. A quick check, and that's that. Run some water to eliminate residues. The drain valve protects the system from winter freezes. Total RainJet reliability for all seasons. Before covering the system, test the sprinklers. Some gravel where the valve is to be positioned, then lower the system into the ground. Cover, then level the soil. Now just connect the system to the solenoid valves, then program operations with the Claber electronic timers. The RainJet range includes specific sprinklers for different watering areas, set and variable. The right answer for every need. Maximum versatility, the sprinkler with adjustable 0 to 360 degrees spray to cover even the most diversely shaped watering areas. For even watering of variously sized areas, the fixed head sprinkler available in a range of models. To ensure water only where you need it, the 180-degree fixed sprinklers, ideal for flower beds or watering near the patio. The 360-degree spray model is designed for watering lawns. And lastly, for larger lawns, the long-range sprinkler. Powerful and silent and adjustable for 30 to 360 degree sprinkling. RainJet is the truly complete system for making the most of that precious resource, water. The right quantity of life-giving rain, bringing added value to your garden and home. Want to know more? Just ask for your free Claber Rangejet guides containing a wealth of advice so you too can become a master of water.